Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a topic which is mitochondria. So let's start mitochondria from a handwritten note. So mitochondria is called as a powerhouse of cell because it generates cellular ATP. ATP means uh, adenosine triphosphate. It generates cellular energy. More active cells like muscle cells have more mitochondria. Both plant and animal cells have mitochondria, site of cellular respiration, burning glucose. So let's see the diagram of mitochondria. So this is the diagram of mitochondria, mini diagram. So this is a thread-like structure which is called as a DNA, and this cellular pipe-like structure which is called as a cristae, and this is circular ball-like structure which is ribosome, and here a matrix part is present, and this is outer membrane, and this is inner membrane, and this is innermost layer. So now let's see the shape and size of mitochondria. The shape and size and number of mitochondria are variable in cells. Usually these are filamentous or granular. They can change their shape like club, tennis racket or vascular. Size is 0.5 u to 1.5 in diameter and about 2 to 8 in length. The number per cell is about 300 to 800. सेल में ये 300 to 800 नंबर में पाए जाते हैं. Function of mitochondria. They are helpful in cell respiration. They are called as a powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria provide intermediate for the synthesis of important biomolecule, chlorophyll, cytoplasm, steroid, etc. Some amino acid also formed in mitochondria. Mitochondria actively activate calcium ion as calcium phosphate precipitate. They are powerhouse of cell as about 90% of total energy ATP is formed in them. The energy of ATP is utilized by metabolic activities. Now, what do mitochondria do? Mitochondria is called as a powerhouse of cell. So it burns glucose to release energy ATP. It stored energy as ATP. एक फैक्ट है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कम्स फ्रॉम साइटोप्लाज्म in the ECG cell during fertilization. Therefore, we inherit our mitochondria from mother cell. Structure. Mitochondria has its own DNA. They are limiting membrane, inner mass or matrix. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel and share to other also. Thank you so much.